It's Tyler Bryden here. I hope you're having an awesome day. Super excited about a new release. Some call it dubbing, voice translation, whatever you want to call it. It's a very exciting release for us where you can now, in Speak, translate the actual voice of people who are in your video. So why is this meaningful? Say you're a research team and you're getting research in all different languages, but you want to distill down that final delivery to your clients in English or whatever common language that the team speaks. You can now do that in just seconds in Speak. And this has been an ongoing process. Translation 1.0 allowed you to take a file and basically convert that into a text note. People really love that, but they say, hey, we want to move it from this text note, this interface that we have here, and we want to move it into one that is actually the audio and video. So you can interact with the audio video in the way that you've come to be used to in Speak, where you can click through, jump to those exact moments, and a huge update in function in the platform. But today, this is Translation 3.0, and super excited to walk through that with you here. And so what have we got on our plate? A bunch of ways. If you have old files, whatever, you can upload them into the system. And so I've got some audio here. Very simple. I have no idea what I'm actually talking about in this audio, but I can simply hit the translate button here, and it's in English, but I want to translate it to a different language. I can see a bunch of, obviously, ones that we've always had, so the translation, but now you can see it's available with dubbing, and that means that you can actually translate the voice. I'm a Canadian, so I'm going to go French, and I'm going to turn on just this little toggle, and I'm now able to do the dubbing. Price automatically calculated. Just a few things to be considering of here with the current sort of infrastructure. File needs to be less than 100 megabytes, and the audio and video duration must be less than 45 minutes. So these restrictions will continue to correct themselves as the technology gets better, but for now, this is what you can currently do. And then all I have to now do is hit confirm and pay, and this will actually start the translation. So I'll jump into the file. We can see that most likely the translation of the file has already been completed, and it's now working on the dubbing here. And within a very short period of time, now short file, I can now listen to this back here. So let's see if we can hear myself speak in French.
Maintenant, nous avons la durée minimale de 10 secondes. Ça enregistre, mais les gens aiment ça. Il y a aussi l'affichage de la forme d'onde qui montre que ça fonctionne. Une fois que c'est fait.
Okay, and again, I have no idea what I said here, besides that I can see that it was translated, but I can go back to the original file here, and you have that reference. So this being the original file, and then now back to that actual translation itself with the timestamps, the speakers, the audio playback.
Maintenant, nous avons la durée minimale de 10 secondes.
So super excited about this release. You can also translate multiple files at once doing the same thing. And as long as a file is eligible for that audio video dubbing, you'll be able to move forward. So again, visit your file, you can hit translate, and then you're going to choose the language. If it's available, I want to go to Croatian. Make sure you turn on the dubbing. You can see that the price then automatically calculates, and you can go ahead and instantly do that. You can do the same thing from the translation and do multiple files at once, just hitting that translation button there. So super excited about this release. I hope you are as well too. And thanks so much for checking this out. We're going to continue improving the platform for the great people like you here at Speak. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.